Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In contact, let's compare Honor 10 Lite and Oppo A7. First of all, we talk about the display. Honor 10 Lite has 6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, and other side Oppo A7 has 6.2-inch Full HD Plus LCD display. Let's take a look on front camera. Honor 10 Lite has 24 megapixel front camera, and other side Oppo A7 has 16 megapixel front camera. Let's talk about RAM and storage. Honor 10 Lite has two options in RAM, 4GB and 6GB, and also two options in storage, 64 and 128GB. And other side Oppo A7 has also two options in RAM, 3GB and 4GB, and you will get two options in storage, 32GB and 64GB. Now see the difference in rear camera, but you will get same rear camera here, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera. Next, talk about the processor. Honor 10 Lite has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Huawei KEYone 710 chipset. Another side Oppo A7 has 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 450 chipset. Let's see the other difference. Honor 10 Lite has Android 9 Pie, another side Oppo A7 has Android 8.1 Oreo, both have a 4G. Now talk about the GPU. Honor 10 Lite has Mali G51 MP4 GPU, another side Oppo A7 has Adreno 506, and both have a fingerprint sensor on the back, as well as you will get option of dual SIM. Now talk about the battery. Honor 10 Lite has 3400 mAh non-movable battery, and Oppo A7 has 4230 mAh non-movable battery. Now we talk about the price. Honor 10 Lite has average price $220 in US dollar and 15,000 in India rupees. Another side Oppo A7 expected price $230 in US dollar and 16,500 in India rupees. Thanks guys for watching this. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.